DHTMLX makes JavaScript libraries for building web apps for any field. It offers a rich set of completely configurable widgets with clean material-styled UI. With over 17 years in business, we've helped thousands of customers from all over the world make their work easier. With feature-rich API, you can easily configure widgets' functionality or customize their look. You can improve your web app accessibility using ARIA support, handy keyboard navigation, and high-contrast themes. You can integrate DHTMLX with any framework and technology. Our widgets support data export to PDF, Excel, MS Project, Primavera P6, and other formats. We also provide expert technical and licensing support that helps you solve any issue at any time. We offer comprehensive documentation with video guides, step-by-step tutorials, and hundreds of interactive code samples, which you can modify and share with your teammates. Choose the desired widgets, download a free 30-day trial version, and boost your development process with DHTMLX.